Lav by Hook Audio, the first wearable Bluetooth microphone designed to capture pro-grade sound without wires, dropouts, or bulky hardware.
In a world where content is king, your sound matters. See what I mean? With your phone's built-in mic, a little background noise, or a little distance
will leave you fighting to be heard.
But with Hook Lav, it's never been easier to capture clear, professional-grade audio at any distance, to any device.
To use, just press the power button, then slip Lav onto your shirt with the light facing inside and start recording.
The Polar Seal Gem is a wearable, personal thermostat. The Polar Seal Gem gives you instant cooling or instant heat at the touch of a button, creates the desired cooling or heating that is then spread throughout the user's body. From the small control module, users can easily switch between the cooling or heating modes, which make the Polar Seal Gem a product for all seasons. Compact, lightweight, and discreet, the Gem features a stealth mode, whereby the main button lighting on the control device is turned off while the device continues to cool or heat you.
The In-Way Accent is a smart wallet with a smart design. Quickly access your cards with a flick of the release trigger. Get your cash with the Quick Draw system. Making payments is so fast and easy with the In-Way Accent. Perhaps too fast sometimes, so you might get distracted and careless with it. Luckily, technologies back us up nowadays. In-Way Accent connects to the phone and lets you know when you leave your wallet behind. The In-Way app shows the last seen location of the wallet to save your day, thanks to some smart guys who worked on functional engineering. The In-Way Accent comes with RFID protection that blocks your cards from being swiped by thieves. The In-Way Accent is not only lightweight, it also gives you a peace of mind. Can't remember where you placed your phone again? Press the button and your phone rings, even if it's on silent. One less stress to fuss over. Oh, and that premium leather oozes quality and style. It makes you want to hold the In-Way Accent in your hand. The In-Way Accent is the perfect everyday carry. You can fit up to 6 cards in it, and its long battery life means you only have to charge it twice a year. The In-Way Accent is handcrafted with exquisite care, not just in the detail, but also in its practicality and usability. Available now on Kickstarter.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.